small Flushing vlog. I wanted to try some new restaurants, and when I looked online I saw White Bear was super famous. However, I got the number 6 the famous wontons, but they're not spicy at all. Honestly, a little bland. I wouldn't recommend coming here. After the dumplings, I was still hungry, so I stopped by Yinji Changfen for the first time. I do wish they added more soy sauce to make it a little bit more flavorful, but overall very comforting, and then the skin was made really well. I also got the Hong Kong milk tea here, and it was really good. After that, I went to Molly Tea, and it's definitely worth the hype and wait. So good. Finished off of Haidilao, and yes, the music is coming from a personal speaker that he actually brought to our table to complete his noodle dance. Enjoy!